In the wild landscapes of the Americas, a powerful and elusive predator moves almost unseen. From dense forests and rugged mountains to open deserts and grasslands, one animal has mastered survival across an entire hemisphere. This animal is the puma, also known as the mountain lion, cougar, or panther. Silent, agile, and highly intelligent, the puma is one of nature's most efficient hunters and one of the most adaptable big cats on Earth. Known by many names, cougar, mountain lion, panther, the puma is a testament to evolutionary perfection. It's a large, powerfully muscular cat, with a sleek and graceful body meticulously engineered for both explosive speed and enduring strength. Its short, coarse fur is typically a solid, tawny, light brown or grayish color, a simple yet effective palette that allows it to blend seamlessly into a vast range of surroundings. This understated coat is a key to its survival, providing the ultimate camouflage for an ambush predator. Unlike the distinct spots of a leopard or the rosettes of a jaguar, the puma's plain coat is a masterclass in versatility. This uniform coloration grants it concealment in the dim light of forests, the open expanses of mountains, and the arid landscapes of deserts alike. It is a creature of the shadows, rarely seen until it chooses to be. An adult puma's anatomy is a study in power. They possess long, slender bodies, broad chests, and exceptionally strong hind legs. In fact, these hind legs are noticeably longer and more muscular than the front legs, a specialization that allows the puma to launch itself over incredible distances and heights with breathtaking ease. Its long, heavy, cylindrical tail acts as a crucial rudder and counterbalance, essential for maintaining stability during high-speed chases, sharp turns, or when navigating treacherous, steep terrain. Every feature is honed for predation. Pumas have formidable, sharp, retractable claws and immensely powerful jaws. Their large canine teeth are precisely shaped to sever the spinal cord and deliver a swift, killing bite to their prey. Their eyes, facing directly forward, provide superb binocular vision and depth perception. Furthermore, a high concentration of rod cells in their retinas grants them exceptional vision in low light, making them supremely effective and lethal hunters at the twilight hours of dawn and dusk. Pumas are the embodiment of solitude in the animal kingdom. This solitary nature is a crucial survival strategy, minimizing competition for food and resources within their vast home ranges. These territories can span hundreds of square kilometers, and pumas meticulously patrol their boundaries. They communicate their presence through a complex system of scent markings, using urine, feces, and scrapes made with their hind feet. Towering trees often bear the deep scratch marks of a resident puma, a clear and imposing signal for any rivals to keep their distance. The only significant social bonds they form are between a mother and her cubs, or briefly during the mating season. As masters of the twilight, pumas are primarily crepuscular, most active at dawn and dusk. Their exceptional night vision gives them a distinct advantage in the low light, allowing them to navigate and hunt with precision when their prey is most vulnerable. Unlike predators built for endurance, the puma is a specialist in stealth. It is a patient hunter, relying on camouflage and silent movement to stalk its quarry. Closing the distance inch by inch, it uses every shadow and piece of cover before exploding into a short, powerful ambush, a lethal combination of surprise and force. Despite their formidable power, pumas are inherently cautious. They are intelligent survivors that understand the high cost of conflict. An injury could mean starvation. Consequently, they will almost always avoid confrontations with larger predators like bears or wolf packs, and typically retreat from human presence. However, this caution should never be mistaken for weakness. If cornered or defending its young, a puma becomes a ferocious adversary. It will use its full arsenal of strength, agility, and razor-sharp claws to neutralize any threat, demonstrating the fierce spirit that makes it such a successful apex predator. The puma has the widest geographic range of any wildland mammal in the Western Hemisphere. It can be found from northern regions of North America all the way to the southern tip of South America. This species is remarkably adaptable and can survive in a wide variety of habitats. Pumas live in mountainous regions, dense forests, tropical jungles, deserts, wetlands, and even semi-urban areas. What matters most to them is the availability of prey and sufficient cover to hunt and hide. Although pumas once roamed freely across vast areas, human expansion has reduced and fragmented their habitat in many regions. Roads, cities, and agriculture have limited their movement, forcing them to adapt to smaller territories or migrate to more remote locations. As strict carnivores, pumas sit at the very top of the food chain, powerful apex predators whose diet consists exclusively of meat. Their sharp teeth and formidable jaws are perfectly adapted for this purpose. They are not just hunters, they are essential ecological engineers. By preying on herbivores, they prevent overgrazing and help maintain the delicate balance of plant and animal life within their habitats. Without them, entire ecosystems could be dramatically altered. In many regions, large prey like deer, elk, and bighorn sheep form the core of their diet. However, the puma's true strength lies in its adaptability. They are opportunistic and highly flexible hunters, capable of thriving by eating whatever prey is most abundant. This can include a wide array of smaller animals, from rabbits and raccoons to rodents and even birds. This dietary flexibility is a key reason for their survival across such a vast and varied range. Unfortunately, as human settlements expand, pumas may also prey on livestock, a behavior that often brings them into direct and dangerous conflict with people. After a successful hunt, a puma will typically drag its kill to a secluded location, away from the prying eyes of scavengers like bears and coyotes. Here, it engages in a behavior known as caching, meticulously covering the carcass with leaves, dirt, or snow. This protects their hard-earned meal, allowing the solitary cat to return and feed from it over several days. A single large kill can sustain a puma for a week or more, conserving precious energy and reducing the constant pressure to hunt. Pumas can breed at any time of year. After a gestation period of about 3 months, the female gives birth to a litter of 1 to 6 cubs. The cubs are born blind and helpless, covered in spotted fur that provides camouflage. For the first few weeks, the mother keeps her cubs hidden in a den while she hunts. As they grow, she teaches them essential survival skills, including stalking, hunting, and defending themselves. Cubs typically stay with their mother for up to a year or more before setting off to establish their own territories. Many young pumas do not survive to adulthood due to starvation, competition, or human threats. Those that do can live more than 10 years in the wild and even longer in protected environments. Pumas are capable of extraordinary physical feats. They can leap up to 20 feet vertically and over 40 feet horizontally in a single bound. Their powerful legs make them exceptional climbers, allowing them to escape danger or ambush prey from above. Despite being one of the largest cats in the Americas, pumas cannot roar. Instead, they communicate using growls, hisses, purrs, and eerie screams that can sound unsettling in the night. Pumas are incredibly adaptable animals. They can survive with minimal water by obtaining moisture from their prey, making them well-suited to dry environments. Although attacks on humans are rare, pumas are capable of inflicting serious harm if they feel threatened or cornered. Most encounters end with the animal retreating silently back into the wilderness. While pumas are not currently endangered as a species, many local populations face serious challenges. Habitat loss, hunting, vehicle collisions, and human conflict have reduced their numbers in some areas. Certain subspecies, such as the Florida panther, are critically endangered and rely heavily on conservation efforts to survive. Protecting large connected habitats is essential for the long-term survival of pumas. Wildlife corridors, conservation programs, and coexistence strategies help reduce conflicts between humans and these powerful predators. The puma is a symbol of strength, stealth, and survival. For thousands of years, it has ruled the landscapes of the Americas with quiet confidence. As human activity continues to reshape the natural world, the future of the puma depends on our ability to respect and protect the wild places it calls home. Silent, watchful, and resilient, the puma remains one of nature's most impressive hunters, a true shadow of the wilderness.